This is called the P1 glove. It is Kate and I's first attempt. This is also Kate's first hackathon. I think it's like my third.
Awesome. High five wherever you are.
So the idea was I was writing a story, a science fiction story, and I sort of had an idea for a character who sort of makes his millions on VR, but mainly with the glove and sort of the software that accompanies that sort of interaction. And then I started thinking, that'd be kind of a cool idea. We should just do that. So Kate and I have been talking about this for like months. So we came in here, we kind of had the idea, but we had nothing to, we basically built this entire thing from scratch. Kate sewed the entire glove by hand. And soldered the entire thing. Yeah. We 3D printed all the components. It's running an Arduino. It has a Bluetooth card on there. It has its own inertial measurement unit, so it can measure its own direction and velocity and everything. Inside of each of the fingers are bend sensors, which will actually measure the bend of your fingers independent of the lead. Basically, what it allows you to do is to grab an object and feel like you're actually grabbing an object.
Yeah.
And it works really well. You can grab with all your strength and you're not going to break through that object. I mean, yeah, I mean, Kate's actually trying. Yeah, try another one. Grab an object. And, and you can actually, get a hold of it.
So you have like...
And I can actually grip on there, and
and you feel that object.
Yeah. We also, it creates vibration. Right now the vibration is just kind of single on off, but with a little bit of programming we can create variable vibrations. So as you press into something, it vibrates harder, or just as you touch it, it gives you a brief vibration, kind of an indication. Also, we can do the same thing with the resistance. You can push through things that are hard to push through, but aren't totally solid. So you can have sort of liquid or non-solid objects. The lights on here are actually programmable status indicators, so we can use the green lights to sort of indicate what the status of the glove is, whether it's connected to Bluetooth or any of that kind of stuff. We can also measure if you're touching something, we can connect that to the light grid. Right now we're using the lead motion controller, but our idea is we want something that's mobile compatible. So we can actually use this either with a leaf or a Kinect. But if we could also use marker tracking and computer vision, so this thing can be completely mobile compatible, and you can just walk around the real world interacting with it. Yeah, we didn't have any batteries, so we didn't put batteries on it, but that would not be very hard. That would just be having a battery and soldering it up. Yeah, so I mean that's pretty much the whole thing.